What are we stopping here for? Please, give him a moment to speak. As he speaks with truth, can you not see, Siegefire? Thank you.
Alright, thank you for giving me a moment to speak. We need to end this reign of tyranny.
Threatening us all. We will no longer live unless Prime Herald dies. He will destroy us all. He is the Herald of Unicron. He has destroyed multiple outposts on the Outer Rim. He will be after Earth. He will be after Cybertron. And we must be ready. This fight is bigger than us all. Autobots, Decepticons, we must defend and attack. What does this mean after that?
Field Surge, we need to recalibrate on our mission. Siegefire, you need to be back on the tactics. Miss Gear, get the camouflage ready. We have to be ready for the Prime.